Hey there, it's CreativeSarah again. We are going to use this cute t-shirt transfer that's called I'm the Oldest. And of course, there's an oldest, a middle, and a youngest, and the favorite. Today, I'm going to make a shirt for me. Cute little shirt I got from Target. I'm the middle child, so I'm not just the middle child. We have 4 kids, so there's 2 in the middle, but I'm going to put the middle child on here, and it says I'm the middle. And of course, on the back of my t-shirt, I need to put I'm the favorite because, of course, I'm the favorite, you guys. So I'm going to make this little two-sided t-shirt. It's going to be super cute. My sisters are going to be jealous, of course. They'll have to make their own. But once you ink, I'm just using white ink on a black shirt. Once you ink, you need to dry it completely. And then you're going to heat press it or iron it. You can iron it for 4 minutes on both sides. And just kind of feel that fabric. Guys, look how cute this turned out. Like and follow my page for more. And thanks for watching.